Welcome to a brand new vlog, and today we are talking about the huge market, brand new market actually. As you know, more and more legalization of the green leaf is going on everywhere in the world, specifically also with the Biden administration in the USA. And this is obviously always a fantastic choice. And let me tell you something, according to the big research house Nielsen, this industry can be a $9 billion company in 4 years. And there's even the research house Cohen that says even we think that it will be a $16 billion industry. So as you can see, a lot of different opinions, but however, as more you deep dive, as more as you know that so many people are using it, and there's so many CB products out there meanwhile, and you know, regular daily products like hand soap or maybe shaving cream, you know, everything that gives this health benefit that CB can have on certain parts of your body, you know, calming yourself down, helping in your mindset, and so on and so forth. And it's not something new. I mean, it's around for hundreds and thousands of years. The original American Indians were doing this on a regular basis, and this is something that is fantastic. If you have a product that has a track record of safety and, you know, just this health benefit out there for thousands of years, I mean, what you want to do more, right? I mean, and today we are talking about a company that is doing both. It's helping the infrastructure, all right? And then it's also having own product. And the beauty about that is actually that you can benefit from both. If the product doesn't work so well, then still they have the infrastructure to support different companies or white label products. So, you know, every brand can say, oh, we need a CB product, so let's go to them and they will create everything for us, you know? So this is fantastic. So let's talk about today's company. But before that, make sure this is a sponsored video. So this is not, as always, even if it's not a sponsored video, never an advice to buy or sell the stock. Rather see this as awareness that this company is out there, and maybe according to the article in the description to below, you will get so many informations that you should use to check if this is something for you and this is maybe exactly in your investment horizon to invest in. But let's dive into the company. So the company that we will talk about and also dive into the stock of the company and all the tickers, you will find all the tickers in the link into the description, and this is this article here. Top reasons to consider Pure Extracts Technologies Corporation. And the first parts, we talked about it, right? The Joe Biden administration is legalizing more and more of dimensions of this product. And obviously, you know, you see this products more in big, you know, retail houses like Sephora, Kroger, or Wegmans, Vitamin Shoppe. And I think there will be many companies, retailers that will add those products, okay? So moreover, and this is maybe one of the most important parts, if you're building companies and products, you want that the team around it is a very experienced team in what they are doing, like experts, right, in their field. So Pure Extracts might have one of the most experienced CB teams in the industry, which is fantastic. So with that all said, let's dive into the stock chart. All right, let's have a look into the stock chart of Pure Extracts Technology Corp. While you have seen that they IPO'd or went to the public markets just recently, they founded already in Canada in 2006. I mean, the idea itself is not that new, right? I mean, it's a long way around, so it's not like we having here like a kind of first movers risk, but rather, you know, an established company that is in business for 5 years, guys, okay? So headquarters in Vancouver in Canada, where anyway the whole industry was more and easier registered than in the US. However, you can see here in the stock chart and the stock itself, the ticker symbol PUL. And you can see here that a couple of things that I want to highlight. So if you're looking into the 6 months chart, you can see here that we definitely gained a little bit, but we were quite volatile on the way, all right? So you could here, start with 0.56 Canadian dollars in November when we went into the public markets, and then gained, almost 100% on your money, yeah? But then you have this, obviously, this pullbacks, and then you have this recoveries as well. So if you're looking into the market cap, we are currently looking into a company that is worth about 48.23 million Canadian dollars. And the highs and lows are quite interesting here, with 46 Canadian dollar cents, and the highs were around 90. So you can see here, you could definitely had the potential to double. That's the opportunities in this kind of stocks, right? So they can move quite fast on new news. And so what is very important for this kind of stocks here is that once you invested, that you follow very, very closely, because brand new news can have a significant action on the stock price, and then you will see this kind of crazy returns within just a couple of weeks or months. And then once the stock gets momentum, once the stock gets noticed, you will have much higher volumes. And then obviously with higher volumes, you will have much higher prices. And it's nothing new, guys, if I will tell you that stocks like that can go, 50%, 60% in one day. Forget about GameStop. Those stocks on the OTC market, or those penny stocks, can move quite heavily. And I have to tell you, I recently saw an article that showed that the OTC market, so those penny stocks, are actually one of the best performing asset classes or stock classes out there. So definitely something to watch. So let's dive into the conclusion of this video. So let's dive into the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe this episode if you like these updates, even on those penny stocks, because as a young public company as this one is, IPO in November of 2020, you have always the great chance with crazy moves, okay? It can go down, but it also can multiply in a matter of very short time your capital. And if you're thinking, hey, this is an interesting industry I want to be in, they have an interesting product or concept, then you can always try some money that you think, okay, I rather put this amount of money that is, separate from my main account, and put it into, high reward stocks with high risk, obviously, right? So as younger a company is, as more risk to fail, there's more potential and upside you have, obviously, as well. And this is the beauty about it. The industry itself, we said so much. There's not much more to say, because the pure growth and scalability of this industry with the legalization is a combination that will just guarantee almost that this industry will grow, get more mature, get more, advanced, right? There will be more products. They need to have more suppliers. They need to have more technologies to extract exactly this CB. And this is exactly what this company does. So let me know in the comments below if you are investing, and when you're investing, and why you're investing. I would be very curious. And obviously, I wish you all the best with all the stocks in your portfolio, and let me know what you think about the industry in general, so we can start the conversations below in the comments.